Have you ever thought you was recording while you're trying to make content and the camera wasn't rolling? Yeah. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a full wash day and style using products from Adwoa Beauty. Keep on watching. Okay, so for today's wash and style, I use all products from Adwoa Beauty from the Blue Tansy line, starting with the Blue Tansy Clarifying Shampoo, which is created to strengthen and repair. It's for damaged or color-treated hair. First of all, can we get into the packaging? Absolutely love the packaging. This shampoo is definitely bomb. Let me show you how it works. Next up from the Blue Tansy line is the Blue Tansy Reparative Mask, also created to strengthen and repair for damaged or color-treated hair. So this conditioner, she's thick, very thick and creamy, and I absolutely love the smell. And as you saw, that shampoo had a ton of lather and got my hair and scalp super clean. So let's show you how this conditioner works. So after washing, shampooing, and conditioning, my hair was completely ready for styling. And for styling, I used one product. Yes, I said one product. And that is the Blue Tansy Leave-In Conditioning Styler, which is also created to strengthen and repair for damaged or color-treated hair. Now this styler, great moisture, great definition. As you can see, the results here of my flat twist and curl. She is that girl. One and done styler, just how we like it. I did not use a leave-in conditioner. I did not use any oils. Take that back. This is the leave-in conditioner and the styler. I did not use any oils, just this one product. But I'm so sad because some of my footage did not get recorded. The takedown of this style was bomb. And I thought for sure I pressed record, but no. Once I was done taking it down and I thought I was pressing stop, I realized that I was pressing play. So none of the takedown was recorded, but you can see these bomb results, okay? And this is after going out in the elements, the rain, the wind, and being at work all day. And these results speak for themselves. So if you have not tried this definitely want to check it out. So let's get into styling. Of course, the takedown process was not recorded, unfortunately, but I did go in with the Blue Tansy Treatment Serum, which is also made to strengthen and repair the hair. It is silicone free. So I did go in with this oil when I took down my flat twists. But these are the finished results, and I'm absolutely in love with the results. Love, love, love this wash day. It was quick, simple, easy. Definitely 10 out of 10 recommend the Blue Tansy line from Adwoa Beauty. Let me know in the comment section below if you've tried this line or if you're looking forward to try it and what product you're looking forward to try the most. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.